Welcome to Barcelona. Barcelona is the capital of the both province of Barcelona and the autonomous community of Catalonia. The best way to tour Barcelona is a hop-on, hop-off city tour. It brings you to all the amazing places. What we did is we made a full run and made notes what we wanted to visit. The next day, we took the same tour and hopped off at all the places that we were interested in. Just a tip, maybe you think it is a good idea. Barcelona is famous for many things like Antoni Gaudi, the world-famous architect of which his signature design you can find in Barcelona. The most famous are Sagrada Familia and Casa Mila, but there are so many cultural and architectural highlights. You have to visit them all and they will not be boring. The Basilica de la Sagrada Familia is a story on its own. The Sagrada Familia is Antoni Gaudi's best-known work and has become an undisputed symbol of Barcelona. This unique modern temple has been under construction since 1882 and is expected to be completed by 2026. When La Sagrada Familia is completed, it will have 18 towers. 12 of the towers will represent the apostles. 4 of them will represent the evangelists. 1 will be designated for the Virgin Mary, and of course the last one, the highest one in the middle, will represent Jesus Christ. However, right now, there are only 8 towers. La Sagrada Familia is home to the tomb of Antoni Gaudi, who was unfortunately killed a few days after being hit by a tram. Located in the underground level of the building, visitors can come see the tomb for themselves. The tomb is surrounded by 4 chapels, each dedicated to a different figure. Gaudi's tomb is held in the chapel dedicated to the El Carmen Virgin. If you're thinking about coming to visit La Sagrada Familia anytime soon, don't think twice. The 3 million visitors every year help support the project, which costs around 25 million euros annually. Thanks to your contributions when you visit, as well as those from donors, you can say that you have taken part in the construction of a masterpiece. The small theaters with authentic local dance shows called Flamenco. Enjoy the show! Port Olympic is the gateway to the Barcelona beaches. Built for the 1992 Olympic Games, this is an area of modern designs that you really do not want to miss. A truly famous fish restaurant in Port Olympic is La Fonda del Port Olympic. You have a fair chance to find some celebrities over there like Messi. Barcelona has around 1.6 million residents, but around 20 million tourists visited Barcelona in 2019. The tourism stress has caused Barcelona's population to shrink by 11% in 4 years. If you plan to visit Spain or have your own Europe trip, Barcelona must be on your bucket list. FC Barcelona, one of the most successful soccer teams ever.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La casa del merengue, la y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La casa del merengue, la y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño.